Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to recall our chapter number 2, Computer Care of ICT. So please take out your books, page number 17, chapter number 2, Computer Care. Okay. As we have already discussed the chapter in class and we have completed the work of this chapter as well, so we are going to recall the main objectives of this chapter. Okay, what we have learned in this chapter so far: the first main objective was how to handle our computers and laptops properly, and the other objective was to show good behavior in computer labs. Okay, I hope you all remember this. Okay, so look at your books on page number 17. You are now familiar with computers and you have already studied about all the parts of a computer in the previous chapter. You can work on the computer if it is in a good condition. So let us learn how you should take care of your computer. Okay, as we know that we all are familiar, we all know how to use different parts of computer. Okay, and we already know that if we take care of our personal belongings, it will remain in good condition and will work properly. So we will learn more about it, that how to take good care of your personal belongings and what are the main basic rules of going to a computer lab. Okay, so first rule for going in a computer lab is we should always go in a queue to our computer labs. Okay students, as we have discussed it already, सबसे पहला पॉइंट हमारा ये है कि हमें हमेशा कंप्यूटर लैब जाते हुए एक प्रॉपर क्यू मेंटेन करनी चाहिए और फिर उसमें जाना चाहिए. ठीक है, सो व्हाट इज़ द फर्स्ट पॉइंट? द फर्स्ट मेन पॉइंट ऑफ दिस रूल is all the students must go in a proper queue to their computer labs, and you all are requested to follow these certain rules while going to a computer lab. Okay, good students are those who always follow the rules which they have learned. Okay, so the next rule is we should always sit straight on the chair in front of computer monitor. Okay, when we visit computer labs or we are using the computers or laptops at our home, this is our responsibility to sit properly, sit straight on the chair and then use it. अगर हम कंप्यूटर को प्रॉपरली सिट स्ट्रेट बैठ के अगर हम अपना कंप्यूटर यूज़ करते हैं तो जो हमारी आई साइट होती है और जो हमारी बैकबोन होती है, दे बोथ विल नॉट गेट अफेक्टेड. ठीक है, अगर हम लोग कंप्यूटर चेयर पे प्रॉपरली नहीं बैठेंगे, हमारा पोस्चर ठीक नहीं होगा, तो हमारी बैकबोन में पेन शुरू हो जाता है और हमारी आई साइट वीक होने लगती है. ओके, so the second main point is we should always sit straight in front of computer monitor, whether we are using it in our computer labs or whether we are using it at our homes. Okay, I hope these 2 points have been clear to you. The third point is we should not make noise in computer lab. Maintain silence there. Good students are those who always listen to their teachers carefully and try to learn whatever the teacher is teaching to you. So the third point is we should concentrate on whatever the teacher is teaching. Okay, हमें concentration से सुनना चाहिए कि मिस जब हमें कंप्यूटर लैब लेके गई हैं तो we are supposed to learn some task that can be performed on computer. So जो हम task हमें मिस समझा रही होती हैं, अगर हम इसकी बात पे concentrate नहीं करेंगे, so we will not be able to learn those tasks to be performed on computer. Okay, the third point is हमें और से हमारी टीचर की बात सुननी चाहिए कि वो हमें जिस टास्क को परफॉर्म करवाने के लिए लैब में लेके गई हैं, विल वी बी एबल टू डू दैट टास्क और नॉट. ओके, the fourth point is do not push the computer table, it will disturb the wire connections. Okay, जब हमें पता है हम अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ कंप्यूटर लैब में जा रहे होते हैं, ठीक है, या घर पे हम अपने पीसीज वगैरह यूज़ कर रहे होते हैं, तो हमारे कज़न्स और सिबलिंग्स सब साथ होते हैं, ठीक है। तो हमें बिल्कुल भी ये नहीं करना चाहिए कि जो कंप्यूटर टेबल है हमारी, या जिस चीज़ पे भी हमारा कंप्यूटर सेटअप हुआ हुआ है, उस टेबल को हमें पुश नहीं करना चाहिए. If we try to push that table, the wire connections of the PC will get disturbed and it will not work properly. It may harm our computer. Okay, now next point is, don't eat or drink in the computer lab. Okay, this is a very basic rule. As we know, the computer labs, the classrooms, the libraries, these are some main places where we are not supposed to eat or drink. Okay, तो हमें अपने कंप्यूटर लैब जब भी विज़िट कर रहे हो तो वहाँ पे कोई ईटिंग या ड्रिंकिंग हमें नहीं करनी चाहिए. ओके, द अदर पॉइंट इज़ डोंट रन और पुश ईच अदर इन कंप्यूटर लैब. कंप्यूटर लैब में हमें एक दूसरे को जैसे जाके एक दूसरे के पीछे भागना नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है, एक दूसरे को पुश नहीं करना चाहिए, एक दूसरे की चेयर्स को पुश नहीं करना चाहिए, ठीक है. इससे पुशिंग से क्या होता है कि हमारी जो है वो कंसंट्रेशन भी डिस्टर्ब होती है, हमें समझ नहीं आता कि टीचर हमें क्या टास्क बता रहे हैं, ठीक है, और हम लोग एक अनयूजुअल एक्टिविटी में इंगेज हो जाते हैं, ठीक है. तो हमें इन चीज़ों का ख्याल रखना होता है while being in a computer lab. Okay, so next point is, always listen to your teacher carefully. As you can see in the picture, the teacher is teaching their students, and all the students are listening to their teacher carefully. So if you are a good student, you have to listen carefully to your teacher so that you will be able to learn whatever the teacher teaches you. Okay, so these are the points and the certain rules which all students are requested to follow while going for a computer lab. Okay, so next main objective, we are winding up this objective, that is the rules for computer lab, okay, and we are moving towards the next objective, that is how to take good care of our laptops and computers. Okay, so how can we take care of our computers and laptops? We should take a dry cloth and clean our monitor, keyboards, CPUs, mouse, printer, scanner, everything, whatever the part of computer we are having, we should clean it by using a dry cloth. Okay, and the other point is, you have to shut down the computer properly. Okay, if you want your computer to be in good condition, so हमें क्या करना होता है, जब भी हम कंप्यूटर को यूज़ कर लेते हैं, वी हैव टू शट इट डाउन प्रॉपरली. अगर हम अपने पीसी को, लैपटॉप्स को प्रॉपरली शट डाउन नहीं करते हैं, तो उसका सिस्टम जो है, इंटरनल सिस्टम जो हमारे पास होता है, लाइक फ्रॉम मदरबोर्ड, रैम, ये सारी चीज़ें हमारी वर्किंग कंडीशन में होती हैं. और जब ये चीज़ें वर्किंग कंडीशन में होती हैं, तो ये हमारे पीसीज़ को, लैपटॉप्स को जो है वार्म अप कर देती हैं. गर्म हो जाता है हमारा लैपटॉप, आपने अक्सर नोटिस किया होगा, पीसी हमारे गर्म हो जाते हैं. सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज़, we need to shut it down properly so that every internal part of the computer will get some rest. Okay, the another point is, after using your computers and laptops, we have to cover it properly with a piece of cloth. जितने कंप्यूटर के पार्ट्स हमारे पास हों, इंक्लूडिंग द स्कैनर्स और प्रिंटर्स और स्पीकर्स, ठीक है, हमें हर पार्ट को यूज़ करने के बाद एक कपड़े से कवर कर देना चाहिए, इसलिए ताकि उसमें डस्ट जो है वो ना लगे और कोई भी चीज़ हमारी डस्ट की वजह से ख़राब ना. ओके, so this point is, cover your computers and laptops after using it by a piece of cloth. Okay, students? Okay, what are the main things that we have to remember from this chapter? The first point is, we should always take good care of our computers and laptops by following the rules that we have learned in this chapter. What we need to do is, we need to take good care of our computers and laptops through the points, through the rules which we have discussed in the chapter. Okay, and the second point is, it's necessary to listen to your teacher carefully. Okay, So what do we understand to this point? That I am recording this lecture for you people, so that you will be able to learn the computer lab rules and how to take care of your personal belongings. Okay, so listen to my lecture carefully, so you will be able to learn all the rules. Okay, so what are the main keywords that we have learned in this chapter? The power button, the shutdown, and the mouse pad. What does a power button do? A power button is used to switch on or off the monitor. What does shutdown mean? Shutdown mean is to turn off your computer system properly. What is the use of mousepad? Mousepad is used to put the mouse on it so that our mouse will not become faulty. Okay, so these were the keywords that we have learned in this chapter so far. I hope this chapter has been clear to all of you, and you all are now able to use these rules in computer labs as well as at your homes. Okay, students, so please listen to this lecture carefully and try to learn all the rules. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.